Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. It's been a while since we have started this series of 50 most repeated NEET MCQs, and this is the ninth Sunday and we have almost come towards an end of this unit-wise revision of 50 most repeated NEET MCQs. Today I'm going to provide you with 50 MCQs from Unit 9 Biotechnology. This would be the second last video of this series of 50 most repeated NEET MCQs. I hope you have read all the chapters. There are just 2 chapters under this unit. I hope you have read them, and if you have read them, let's get started. Question number 1. In genetic engineering, a DNA segment, gene of interest, is transferred to host cell through a vector. Consider the following 4 agents in regard and select the correct option about which or more of these can be used as vector. So 4 objects or 4 agents have been given. You have to tell out of these which all can be used as a vector. Bacterium, Plasmodium, plasmid, bacteriophage. Options are given. You have to tell out of these 4 organisms or these 4 agents which can be used as vector or vectors. So the correct answer is option 3. B and D are used as vector, that is plasmid and bacteriophage can be used as a vector. Question number 2. The linking of antibiotic resistant genes with plasmid vector became possible with exonucleases, DNA ligases, endonucleases, DNA polymerases. Linking of antibiotic resistant gene. The correct answer is option 2. With the discovery of DNA ligase, the linking of genes became possible. Question number 3. The 3' to 5' phosphodiester linkage inside a polynucleotide chain serves to join. What does the 3' 5' phosphodiesterase linkage joins? One nucleoside with another nucleoside, one nucleotide with another nucleotide, one nitrogenous base with a pentose sugar, one DNA strand with other DNA strand. The correct answer is option 2, one nucleotide with another nucleotide. Question number 4. Main objective of production or use of herbicide resistant GM crops is to reduce herbicide accumulation in food articles for health safety, eliminate weeds from the field without use of manual labor, eliminate weeds from the field without use of herbicides, encourage eco-friendly herbicides. The correct answer is option 2, to eliminate weeds from the field without use of manual labor. Now the point to understand here is, what does herbicide resistant GM crop means? Herbicide resistant GM crops means that the crop that you will cultivate now would be resistant to herbicides. However, the weeds that would grow over there won't be resistant to herbicide. So now if you spray herbicide in your field, entire field, your crops being resistant to herbicide won't get affected, but the weeds will get eliminated. Earlier what used to happen, the herbicides used to damage the crop as well. Hence the weeds needed to be removed manually. Now with the occurrence of the resistant GM crops, now once we have developed the resistant GM crops, we can use herbicide which are not affecting the GM crop, since the GM crop is resistant to the herbicide, but at the same time the weeds get eliminated because they are not resistant to herbicide. Question number 5. Human insulin is being commercially produced by a transgenic species of Saccharomyces, Escherichia, Mycobacterium, Rhizobium. The correct answer is option 2, Escherichia coli. A recombinant species of Escherichia coli is being used to produce human insulin. Question number 6. What is antisense technology? RNA polymerase producing DNA, a cell displaying foreign antigen used for synthesis of antigen, production of soma clones and variants in tissue culture, when a piece of RNA that is complementary in sequence is used to stop expression of a specific gene. The correct answer is option 4 is correct. A piece of RNA that is complementary to given sequence is used to stop the expression of a particular gene. This technology is known as antisense technology. Question number 7. In the DNA molecule, there are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and another in 3' to 5' direction. The total amount of purine nucleotides and pyrimidine nucleotide is not always equal. There are two strands which run 5' to 3' direction. The proportion of adenine in relation to thymine varies with the organism. So there are four statements given about the DNA. You have to tell which one is correct. So the correct answer is option 1 is correct. There are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and another in 3' to 5' direction. Question number 8. Nucleotides are formed of. Remember guys, when you read such questions, what are they asking? Nucleotide or nucleoside? That single word of S or T makes a great difference. So in the question they are asking about nucleotide. Purine, sugar and phosphate, purine, pyrimidine and phosphate, purine, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate. So the correct answer is option C, purine, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate. Question number 9. Gel electrophoresis is used for cutting of DNA into fragments, separation of DNA fragments according to their size, construction of recombinant DNA by joining with cloning vector, isolation of DNA molecules. What is gel electrophoresis used for? Gel electrophoresis is a common technique that is employed in biotechnology in which a gel slab is used and samples are loaded, electricity is passed and the samples get separated according to their size. So the correct answer is option B, separation of DNA fragments according to their size, and this does not apply only to the DNA fragments. Even the protein fragments or the RNA fragments can be separated according to their size. Question number 10. Which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? Nucleic acid and nucleotide, fatty acid and diglycerides, monosaccharides and polysaccharides, amino acids and polypeptides. A very simple question. Phosphodiester bonds are present in. The correct answer is option 1, nucleic acids in a nucleotide. Question number 11. Cry-1 endotoxins produced by Bacillus thuringiensis are effective against bollworm, mosquitoes, flies, nematodes. Cry-1 endotoxins. The correct answer is option 1. They are effective against bollworms and are used in production of resistant cotton. Question number 12. The genetically modified brinjal in India has been developed for insect resistance, enhancing shelf life, enhancing mineral content, or drought resistance. Genetically modified brinjal in India has been developed for. The correct answer is option 1, insect resistance. Question number 13. Modern detergents contain enzyme preparations of thermophiles, acidophiles, alkaliphiles, or thermoacidophiles. Correct answer is option 3, alkaliphiles. Question number 14. Animal cell differs from plant cell in possessing vacuoles, centrosomes, plastids, mitochondria. The correct answer is option B, centrosomes. Question number 15. The DNA molecules to which gene of interest is integrated for cloning is called as carrier, transformer, vector, template. The correct answer is option 3, vector. Question number 16. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in Saccharomyces, Streptococcus, Chlamydomonas, Plasmodium. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in. The correct answer is option 2, that is Streptococcus. Now guys, this is a trick question. If you see questions in NEET would be like this only. So they are asking membrane bound organelles are absent in. Now you should be knowing two things over here. First, in what type of organism is membrane bound organelles absent? In prokaryote organism. Now you should be knowing of the four options given which one belongs to prokaryotic kingdom, that is Monera. So Saccharomyces is a yeast, it's not a prokaryote. Chlamydomonas, it's considered either as a protist or as algae, it again is not a prokaryote. Plasmodium is not a prokaryote, it's a protist, right? So Streptococcus, which is a bacteria, belongs to kingdom Monera. It's a prokaryote. So the answer is option 2, Streptococcus. Question number 17. Polysomes is formed by several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA, many ribosomes attached to a strand of endoplasmic reticulum, a ribosome with several subunits, ribosome attached to each other in a linear arrangement. So the correct answer is option A. Polysome is formed by several ribosomes that are attached to a single mRNA. Question number 18. The largest gene in man is insulin, tumor suppressor gene, beta globin gene of hemoglobin, or dystrophin. Largest gene in man is. Correct answer is option D, dystrophin. Question number 19. DNA replication occurs in, this is a very common question of AIIMS or NEET. DNA replication occurs in which phase? G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase. Correct answer is option B, that is S phase. Question number 20. Point mutation involves changes in single base pair, duplication, deletion, or insertion. Point mutation involves. Correct answer is option 1. Change in single base pair. The name itself reveals point mutation. There is a mutation in single point. Question number 21. Arrange the following events of meiosis in correct sequence. Crossing over, synapses, terminalization of chiasmata, disappearance of nucleolus. The sequences are given in 4 options. You have to arrange all these 4 events in correct sequence from first which occurs to last. So the correct answer is option 3. First, synapses will occur. Once synapses has occurred, there is crossing over, then occurs terminalization of chiasmata, then disappearance of nucleolus. Question number 22. Soma clones are obtained by plant breeding, irradiation, genetic engineering, tissue culture. Soma clones are obtained by. The correct answer is option 4, tissue culture. Question number 23. 3 of the following statements about enzymes are correct and 1 is incorrect. You have to tell which one is incorrect. Enzymes are denatured at high temperature, but in certain exceptional organisms they are effective even at temperature of 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Enzymes are highly specific. Most enzymes are proteins, but some are lipids. Enzymes require optimal pH for maximal activity. The statement which is incorrect is, the correct answer is option 3. Most enzymes are protein, but some are lipids is an incorrect. Lipids, there are no enzymes which are lipids. Question number 24. Plasmodesmata are locomotory structure, membrane structure connecting nucleus with plasmalemma, connection between adjacent cells, lignified cemented layer between the cells. Plasmodesmata are. The correct answer is option 3. Connection between adjacent cells. Question number 25. Removal of introns and joining of exons in a defined order in a transcription unit is called as tailing, transformation, capping, splicing. The correct answer is option 4, splicing. Question number 26. Agar agar is produced by fungus, algae, bacteria, blue-green algae. The correct answer is option B, algae. Question number 27. What is that which forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting? Relative difference of DNA occurrence in blood, skin and saliva, relative amount of DNA in ridges and grooves of fingerprints, satellite DNA occurring at highly repeated short DNA segments, relative proportion of purines and pyrimidines in DNA. The correct answer is option 3. Satellite DNA occurring at highly repeated short DNA segments forms the basis of the DNA fingerprint. Question number 28. Stirred tank bioreactors have been designed for additive of preservative to the product, purification of product, ensuring anaerobic culture in the culture vessel, availability of oxygen throughout the process? Stir tank bioreactor. The correct answer is option 4, availability of oxygen throughout the process. So stir tank bioreactor has a stirrer, right, which rotates and mixes all the material that is there in the bioreactor. So when the materials are rotated, there is quite good mixing of the oxygen so that oxygen is available to every part of the bioreactor. An organism growing each different parts is able to get the oxygen and derive its oxygen source, right? So the stir tank bioreactor are designed for availability of oxygen throughout the process. Question number 29. An improved variety of transgenic rice does not require chemical fertilizer and growth hormone, gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A, is completely resistant to all insects, pests and disease of paddy, gives high yield but no characteristic atoms. The correct answer is option 2, that is gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A. Another type of question that is asked over in transgenic rice is, in developing countries there is very common occurrence of night blindness. So which of the following would you advise, or which of the following should be adopted by the developing countries so as to solve the problem of night blindness? And in the options, one of the option would be golden rice. So in that case, you need to know two things. First, night blindness is caused because of deficiency of vitamin A, and second, the golden rice is a transgenic variety of rice which is rich in vitamin A, right? In that case, you would be knowing that if vitamin A rich golden rice is given, then the problem of night blindness can be overcome. So that is another type of question that is asked from golden rice. Question number 30. Infectious proteins are present in Gemini virus, prions, viroids, or satellite virus. Infectious proteins are present in. The correct answer is option 2, that is prions. Prions are the proteins which become mutated and cause infection by themselves. Question number 31. Which one of the following has its own DNA? Mitochondria, dictyosome, lysosome, peroxisomes. These are the organelles of a cell. Which of these have their own DNA? Correct answer is option 1, mitochondria. Question number 32. Which one of the following palindromic base sequences in DNA can be easily cut at about middle by some particular restriction enzyme? There are 4 sequences given below in the 4 options. You have to identify which of these can be cut by a particular restriction enzyme. So the correct answer is option 3. Now for cutting a given sequence by restriction enzyme, one of the requirements is that it should be a palindromic sequence. What does a palindromic sequence mean? Palindromic sequence means that when you read a given sequence of DNA in one particular direction, like 5' to 3', it should read the same. Means, like in option 3, 5' to 3', the above strand reads as GAATTC, and the second strand 5' to 3' reads again GAATTC. If you read from 3' to 5', it is CTTAAG in both the strands. So palindromic sequence is the one where you read the strands 5' to 3' or 3' to 5' and both the strands have same sequence. So such a strand can be cut by restriction enzyme. Question number 33. A transgenic food crop which may help in solving the problem of night blindness in developing countries is Flavor Saver tomatoes, Starlink maize, BT soybean, golden rice. Correct answer is option D, golden rice, because golden rice contains vitamin A and night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A. Question number 34. Which of the following bioengineered bacteria is utilized for cleaning of marine oil slicks? Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas syringae, Pseudomonas putida, Rhizotonia solani. The correct answer is option C, Pseudomonas putida. Question number 35. Which one of the following is now being commercially produced by biotechnology procedures? Morphine, quinine, insulin, nicotine. Which of the following is being produced by biotechnological procedures? The correct answer is option 3, insulin. Question number 36. Breeding of crops with high level of minerals, vitamins and proteins is called somatic hybridization, biofortification, biomagnification, micropropagation. The correct answer is option 2, biofortification. Question number 37. Virus envelope is known as capsid, virion, nucleoprotein, core. The correct answer is option 1, capsid. Question number 38. Cells obtained from cancerous tumors are known as hybridomas, melanomas, lymphocytes, monoclonal cells. Cells obtained from cancerous tumors are known as. The correct answer is option B, myelomas. Question number 39. DNA or RNA segment that is tagged with a radioactive molecule is called vector, probe, clone, plasmid. Tagged with a radioactive molecule is called. The correct answer is option 2, that is probe. Now what is a probe? A DNA or an RNA segment would be tagged with a radioactive molecule. Now this segment will go and bind to its complementary segment in a given DNA sequence. Now when it goes and binds to that specific segment, when you illuminate it, because of the radioactivity of the molecule that has been tagged along with the DNA segment, it can be identified as to which part the segment has gone and bounded. So you can identify that particular complementary sequence to the given sequence of the RNA segment with the help of the probe. Question number 40. Which is substitution of mitochondria in E. coli? Golgi bodies, mesosomes, ribosomes, glyoxysomes. The correct answer is option B, mesosomes. Question number 41. A segment of DNA has 120 adenine and 120 cytosine bases. The total number of nucleotides present in the segment are 60, 240, 120, 480. Total number of nucleotide present in the segment are. Correct answer is option D, 480. Why so? Because 120 adenine will go and bind with 120 thymine, 120 cytosine with 120 guanine. So if you count the total, it becomes 480. Question number 42. Which one of the following pair of nitrogenous bases of nucleic acid is wrongly matched with the category mentioned against them? Adenine, thymine, purines, thymine, uracil, pyrimidine, uracil, cytosine, pyrimidine, guanine, adenine, purine. Which one of the following pair of nitrogenous bases of nucleic acid is wrongly matched with the category mentioned against it? Correct answer is option 1, adenine, thymine, purines. Guys, remember over here that questions in NEET can be very tricky. Like in one of the questions that I gave yesterday, in yesterday's video, there was a table with different things given and you had to mention whether the things were as per the category mentioned in another column, right? So in that question, I guess question number 18, the third option was uracil, cytosine and thymine, and over there thymine spelling was THIAMINE. Now the on the other column it was grouped as pyrimidines. Now if you read it as a go, uracil, cytosine, thymine, pyrimidine, that's a correct option, you will feel like that. But if you read carefully, thymine, THIAMINE, is a vitamin B1 and not a pyrimidine. So when you are reading the options in an exam like a NEET, you need to keep your mind over there while reading it, okay? So you can't confuse thymine of THYMINE with thiamine of THIAMINE. A lot of people asked me in the comment section why option 3 is not correct. So read the options very carefully over there. Question number 43. Alleles are two breeding homozygotes, different molecular forms of a gene, heterogeneous zygotes, different phenotypes. Alleles are. The correct answer is option 2, different molecular forms of a gene. Question number 44. Agrobacterium tumefaciens in genetic engineering is used for DNA mapping, DNA modification, vector DNA, DNA fingerprinting. The correct answer is it is used as a vector DNA. Question number 45. A common biological agent used for controlling plant disease is baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis, glomus, trichoderma. The correct answer is option 4, trichoderma. In sea urchins, DNA, which is double-stranded, 17% of bases are shown to be cytosine. The percentage of other bases expected to be present in this DNA are. Different percentages of the bases have been given. You have to tell which of the options gives the correct percentage of different bases. So the correct answer is option 2, guanine 17%, adenine 33%, thymine 33%. Now how to derive this, how to get to this answer? When they are giving answer in percentages, it means you have to consider the total bases as 100. So out of those 100 bases, 17 is cytosine. 17 cytosine will pair with 17 guanine, right? So 17, 17, 34, that is gone. Now what remains is total of 66%. Of the 66%, half will go to adenine, half will go to thymine, right? So option 2 is correct. 17% guanine, 33% adenine, 33% thymine. Question number 47. The movement of gene from one linkage group to another is called as duplication, translocation, crossing over, inversion. Correct answer is option 2, translocation. The name itself reveals it. Translocation, translocation. It is transferring its location, changing its location. Question number 49. Herbicide resistant gene in plant is MT, GT, CT, BT. The correct answer is option D, BT gene. Question number 49. Satellite DNA is useful tool in organ transplantation, sex determination, forensic science, genetic engineering. The correct answer is option C, forensic science. Question number 50. Which one of the following is being tried in India as a biofuel substitute for fossil fuels? Agiolops, Jatropha, Azadi Rachta, Musa. The correct answer is option 2, Jatropha. So those are the 50 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with our daily jumbled MCQ series, this very place 7 p.m. sharp. And next Sunday we are going to cover the last unit, and that will be the last video of the series of 50 most repeated NEET MCQs. So read all the chapters of ecology unit. I'll see you guys then. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.